Okay, so this is my first example about the topic maximum and minimum values of a function. Given the function y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 3, find a, the values of x for which the function is a maximum or minimum, b, the maximum and minimum values of the function, and c, the maximum or minimum point of the curve. Okay, so tatlong hanapin natin. Okay. Ang gagawin muna natin, ay kunin natin yung values of x na kung saan max or minimum siya. Okay? Then, itetest natin gamit yung FDT or first derivative test kung siya ay max or min doon sa values of x na yan. Okay? And then, pagkatapos noon, kukunin natin yung maximum or minimum value of the function by substituting the values of x kung siya doon ay max or minimum. And then, yung maximum and minimum point of the curve. Okay. So, umpisahan natin sa pagkuha ng first derivative of the function. Okay? So, ito yung ating solution. Kunin natin yung derivative of the function. Okay? So, we have y equal to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 3. Kunin natin yung y prime. Y prime natin, ito yung ating fx. So, f prime x. Okay? So, that is 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. Now, kunin natin yung critical values. Okay? Tulad ng ginagawa natin sa increasing and decreasing functions. So, we have f prime of x equal to factor. We have 3x squared minus 4x plus 3. And then, factoring, we have f prime of x equal to 3x minus 1, x minus 3. Now, paano natin makukuha ang critical values? Equate natin to sa 0. So, equating to 0, we have 3x minus 1, x minus 3. Therefore, the critical values are critical values. We have x equals 1 and x equals 3. Okay. Dito sa critical values na to, na ito yung max and minimum point. Hindi lang natin alam kung alin dito sa dalawang values na to magiging makukuha natin yung maximum value at minimum value. So, gagamit tayo ng first derivative test kung nasan ba kung yung values of the function is maximum or minimum sa x equals 1 or x equals 3. Okay? Test natin siya by FDT. Okay, gamit yung first derivative test, alamin natin kung si f of x is max or minimum kay x equals 1. Okay? So, if x is less than 1, kuha tayo ng test value less than 1. So, let's say x equals 0. Okay? Alamin natin yung sign ng first derivative. If x is 0, this factor is equal to negative value. This is negative and this is positive. Ibig sabihin to, this is greater than 0. Okay? And if x equals 1, so of course, 1 ang test value natin. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is negative. 0 times negative is 0, equal to 0. If x greater than 1, let's say x equal to 2. Okay? So we have 2 minus 1 is positive. 2 minus 3 is negative. This is negative, so this is less than 0. So, papansin natin na dun sa ating pong nakuhang critical value na x equals 1, kapag less than 1, positive ang slope or first derivative. And then at x equals 1, 0. Ibig sabihin, critical value talaga siya. And if x is greater than 1, so ibig sabihin nun, let's say x equals to ang ating test value, ang ating first derivative is negative. So positive, 0, negative. So, ito ay yung ating number 1 do sa first derivative test na kung saan kapag ganito ang ating sign of the first derivative, max siya at x equals 1. Therefore, papagano siya? Positive, 0, negative. Max siya. Okay? Max siya. Therefore, f of x is maximum for x equals 1. Okay? Maximum siya. Ano yung maximum value niya? The maximum value is f of 1. Okay? F of 1 is the maximum value. How are we going to determine the maximum value? Isa-substitute lang natin doon. So, 1 cubed minus 6 times 1 squared plus 9 times 1 minus 3. F of 1 is 1 minus 6 plus 9 minus 3. That is equal to 1. Okay? Mamaya lalagyan ko ng summary yung ating mga nakuhang values. Okay? Next, test naman natin si x equals 3. Okay? X equals 3, test natin. We have x less than 3, x equal to 3, x greater than 3. Then we have the test value. We have 3x minus 1, x minus 3, and f prime of x. So, x less than 3 tayo. Let's say 2. 2 minus 1 is positive. 2 minus negative. 2 minus 3 is negative. Positive times negative is negative. This is less than 0. X equals 0. X equals 3. So, 3 minus 1 is positive. 3 minus 3 is 0. Positive times 0 is 0. This is equal to 0. X greater than 3. Let's say 4. Ating test value. 4 minus 1 is positive. 4 minus 3 is positive. Positive times positive is positive. This is greater than 0. So, ibig sabihin, minimum naman siya. Kasi dito, papaganito siya. Minimum siya. Okay? Kasi negative ang slope equal to 0 and then positive ang slope. Candidate siya for a minimum point of the function. Therefore, f of x is a minimum for x equals 3. Ano yung kanyang minimum value? The minimum value is f of 3. That is, substitute natin this a function. We have 3 cubed minus 6 times 3 squared plus 9 times 3 minus 3. So we have 27 minus 54 plus 27 minus 3. We have f of 3 equal to negative 3. Now, summary natin ang ating mga nakuhang values. Ang ating letter A na sagot, A, the values of x for which the function is a maximum or minimum. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung values of x na siya ay minimum. Minimum at x equals 3. Then, ito yung maximum siya sa x equals 1. Maximum at x equals 1. Okay. Yun ang sagot natin sa letter A. For letter B, ano yung maximum and minimum value of the function? Ang maximum value niya ay 1. Okay? Maximum value. Ito si f of 1, which is equal to 1. And then, minimum value of the function. Ito yon. Minimum value the function is f of 3. It is equal to negative 3. Okay? And sa ating letter C, maximum and minimum point of the curve. Yan. Ang max point natin is 1. Max value is 1, minimum, or 1, 1 is the max point. Minimum point natin is 3, negative 3. Okay. So, yan. So, pag renap natin yan, ganito ang itsura niya. Okay, ito yung Y. Ito yung X. And we have 1, 1. 1, 1 ito. 3, negative 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, we have max point yon. So, pag ganito siya, dadaan pa siya sa negative 3. Tama dito. So, we have yan. Okay? Ito yung max point natin na 1, 1. Ito ay yung ating minimum point na 3, negative 3. To see function y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 3. Okay. Now, ito yung maximum value ng function, yung y value. Ito yung minimum value ng ating function. Okay? Yun yung mga y values natin. Ito yung values of x na kung saan minimum si y. Ito yung x value na 1 na kung saan maximum si y. Okay? So that is my first example about maximum and minimum values of a function. Thank you.